This machine is the latest DTF printer developed by our factory. Its maximum printing width is 60 centimeters. With 2 Epson I3200A1 head, which print images faster and clearer, or 2 XP600 print heads. Using the best quality Hansen motherboard on the market to improve printing accuracy and stability. Control panel, intuitive interface, easy to operate. Elevating the ink stack, automatic cleaning, and protecting the nozzle. C, M, Y, K, W colors. White ink stirring, prevent white ink precipitation clog. Powder sprinkling device. Shake powder area. Intelligent temperature-controlled oven can provide stable heat, making the film baking more uniform. Extended powder shaking, larger printing area, faster drying. Multi-functional control panel, easy to operate. Automatic feed-up take-up system. Applied to clothing, handbags, shoes and hats, handicrafts, advertising products. The low price and stable performance make this printer popular around the world. I believe this printer will make your business more successful. Welcome to comment and consult.